lecture, we are going to solve the word problem. Right? Word problems are very easy to understand. First, you have to just get an idea of what does the problem says. આપણો જે પ્રોબ્લેમ જે ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે છે એ શું કહેવા માંગે છે તે આપણે પ્રેડિક્ટ કરવાનું છે. પછી જ આપણને આઈડિયા આવશે કે what we have to do. Right? Let's see the first one. First one, in a class test containing 15 questions. So total how many questions are there? 15 questions are there. Right? 4 marks are given for correct answer. Right? We can say that the 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Right? એટલે statement શું કહે છે આપણને? There are total how many questions are there? So total 15 questions are there. So let's do solution as well. Total questions. How many total questions are there? 15. 15 total questions are there. Right? Chalo. Then another thing is given to you that marks for correct answer. Chalo. Marks for correct answer. How many marks for correct answer? We can say 4 marks. 4 marks are given for correct answer. And the another statement says that marks for incorrect. Marks for incorrect answer. Now, marks for incorrect answer. How many marks are given for incorrect answer? Minus 2 marks. Right? Incorrect answer માટે કેટલા માર્ક્સ આપે છે? minus 2 marks આપે છે. Right? ચાલો. Then answer the following. First one, Gurpreet attempts all the questions, but only 9 of her answers are correct. બરાબર? correct કેટલા આન્સર આપે છે? 9. પણ એ ટોટલ બધા જ attempt કરે છે. Right? What is her total score? એનું total score આપણે derive કરવાનું છે. બરાબર? બહુ જ easy છે derive કરવા માટે. Right? ચાલો શું કહે છે? Gurpreet attempt all questions means 15 question attempt કરે છે. તેમાંથી 9 questions are correct. Right? The first one, out of 15 questions, comma 9 are correct. Right? Out of 15 questions, 9 are correct. 9 સાચા answer છે. Right? Therefore, what we can say there? Right? Number of incorrect question will be 15. Total minus 9 correct. So that will be 6. And incorrect કેટલા છે એની પાસે? 6. Right? What we have to find? We have to find the total score. Right? So therefore, the total score of Gurpreet is, right, 9, correct, plus અહીંયા આવશે marks for 6 incorrect. समझ पड़े છે કે બધાને? right? The total score of Gurpreet can be given as marks for 9 correct answer plus marks for 6 incorrect answer. So that is equal to we can say that one correct answer 4 marks, right? One correct answer 4 marks. How many correct answers are there? So 9 correct answers. So 9 multiplied by 4, these are the marks for correct answer, plus 6 multiplied by minus 2. 6 multiplied by minus 2. That is marks for incorrect answer. So that is equal to 9 4s are 36 plus 6 2s are 12 plus minus 12. So that is 36 plus minus 12. So that will be 36 minus 12. That will be 24 marks. એટલે ગુરપ્રીત ના કેટલા માર્ક્સ આવ્યા? 24 માર્ક્સ આવ્યા. સમજ પડે છે? समझ पड़ी बच्चाने? right? 1 marks, 1 correct answer 4 marks. So 9 correct answer, 9 multiplied by 4, 1 incorrect answer minus 2 marks. Therefore 6 incorrect answer, 6 multiplied by minus 2, 9 4s are 36 plus 6 2s are 12 plus minus. Then come to regular calculation, the answer will be 24. Right? Got it? Yeah. Secondly, second one. One of her friend, one of her friend get only 5 answers correct. What will be her score? Therefore, her friend's score will be right? Let's see. Total correct answer, right? Number of correct answer is, what is the number of correct answer? 5. Therefore, number of incorrect answer will be 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5, that is 10. Therefore, her score is equal to marks for correct answer minus marks for incorrect answer. Marks for incorrect answer. Right? બધાને સમજ પડી છે ને? ચાલો. Now, marks for correct answer. That is equal to marks for correct answer. 1 correct answer 4 marks. 5 correct answer how many? So 5 multiplied by 4 plus, right? 1 incorrect answer minus 2 marks. How many incorrect answers are there? 10. So that is 10 multiplied by minus 2. Right? So that is equal to 5 4s are 20 plus 10 2s are 20 plus minus. So that is 20 plus minus 20. What will be score? 0 marks. समझ पड़े છે? એની ફ્રેન્ડ કેટલા માર્ક્સ સ્કોર કરશે? 0 માર્ક્સ સ્કોર કરે છે. Right? So this is the first problem that we have solved. Right? ચાલો, બધાને આઈડિયા આવ્યો હોય તો just raise your hands. Right? બધાને આઈડિયા આવ્યો હોય તો just raise your hands. ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું અહીંયા બધાને? Right? How we can predict that one? You can take a screenshot if you want. Right? Screenshot લેતા રહેજો. चलो second example. Suppose we represent the distance above the ground by positive integer. ચાલો શું કહે છે? The distance above the ground by positive integer, right? For example, આપણું ground છે, right? આના ઉપરનું જે distance હશે it is represented by positive integer, એના નીચેનું જે distance હશે it is represented by negative integer, right? આ statement કહે છે, right? The distance above the ground it is represented by positive integer, the distance below the ground it is represented by a negative integer, right? Now let's see what does the question says, right? An elevator descend means going down. Descent નો meaning શું છે? એ earth ની અંદર જાય છે. Descend means going down, right? An elevator descend into the mine stuff એટલે બધાને ખબર છે coal mine આવે છે ત્યાં walking કરવા માટે underground lift હોય છે, right? At the rate of 5 meter per minute, right? ચાલો now since the elevator is descend into a mine stuff, then its rate will be represented by a negative integer. એ તો મને આપણને બધાને આઈડિયા ખબર છે કે એલિવેટર માં જાય છે લોઅર કેસ માં જાય છે લોઅર જાય છે એટલા માટે એ મીટર જે છે એ કેવું આવશે? નેગેટિવ આવશે. What will be the position after 1 hour? 1 hour પછી કેટલી position હશે તે, right? So let's see the first one. Now change in the position. કોની position? Change in the position of an elevator per minute will be minus 5 meter. કેમ minus 5? સર અહીંયા તો 5 આવ્યું છે, તમે minus 5 કેમ લીધું? તો એનું રીઝન શું છે? An elevator is descending means what? એ નીચે જાય છે. એલિવેટર ઉપર નથી આવતી, એ નીચે જાય છે. એટલે આ જો મારું ગ્રાઉન્ડ હોય તો એલિવેટર ઉપર નથી આવતું, પણ એલિવેટર ક્યાં જાય છે? નીચે. એટલા માટે એ શું થઈ ગયું? -5, રાઈટ? કારણ કે કીધું છે below the ground by a negative integer. એટલે change in the position of an elevator per minute will be -5. કેમ -5? Since it is going down, એ નીચે જાય છે એટલા માટે. Therefore change in position after 1 hour is equal to how much? મારે આ શોધવાનું છે. What will be the change in position after 1 hour? Now we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, right? ચાલો ધ્યાન દીધો શું કહે છે? Therefore here 1 minute, that is time, and distance cover. So 1 minute minus 5 meter જેટલું distance કરે છે, right? Since it is going downwards, therefore 60 minutes will be how much? Right? Simply cross multiplication, right? So that will be 60 multiplied by -5. 6 5s are 30 and 1 0, that is can say that the distance traveled or the distance covered, therefore distance covered by elevator below the ground, below the ground is 300 meter. Below the ground કેટલું જાય છે 300. હવે આપણે અહીંયા -300 નથી લખ્યું કેમ? કારણ કે અહીંયા આપણે વર્ડ યુઝ કરી દીધો below. below વર્ડ યુઝ કરી દીધું એટલા માટે હવે આન્સર આવશે ખાલી 300. ને જો હું below વર્ડ યુઝ નહીં કરું then it will be -300. Are you getting the idea? Second one, if it begins to descend from 15 meters above the ground, right? હવે જો બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ સમ છે, right? સ્ટાર્ટિંગ પોઝિશન આપી દીધી, right? સેકન્ડ સમ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ પોઝિશન આપી દીધી. It began એટલે સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે ક્યાંથી 15 meter above the ground. So therefore initial position is equal to 15 meter. Can 15 meter can get above the ground છે, right? દેખાય છે અહીંયા above the ground means it is positive. What will be the position after 45 minutes? Means we have to find final position. શું શોધવાનું છે? Final position, right? That is equal to initial position minus distance covered. Initial position minus distance covered. એ કેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ એ કવર કરે છે તે જોવાનું છે, રાઈટ? ચાલો શું કહે છે? 1 minute distance cover in 1 minute. How many distance in 1 minute how many distance is cover? 1 minute માં -5 meter જેટલું distance cover કરે છે. Therefore 45 minutes will be how much? So that is 45 multiplied by -5. So 5 5s are 25 multiply તમારા સાઈડ પર કરી લેવાનું. 5 4s are 20 21 22. That is 225 meter -225 meter એટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરે છે. કેટલા મિનિટમાં? 45 મિનિટ્સમાં. પાછા પૂછશે કે સર 45 માંથી આવ્યું તો 45 ત્યાંથી આવે છે, રાઈટ? તો ચાલો લેટ્સ સી that is equal to initial position. What is initial position? 15 meter plus plus distance cover. કેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરે છે? -225 meter. આટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ એ કવર કરે છે કેટલા મિનિટમાં? 45 મિનિટમાં. So that is equal to 15 minute plus minus 225 minute. So 225 minus 15. So 0 1 and 2. So that will be -210 meter. -210 meter, right? સમજ પડે છે? Now, next one. A certain freezing process require the room temperature lower. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius, right? From 40 degrees Celsius means તમને initial temperature આપી દીધું છે. આ initial temperature થી આપણે room temperature ને કેવું લાવવાનું છે? Lowered. Lowered means to reduce. Lowered means to reduce. આપણે room temperature ને reduce કરવાનું છે, right? કેવી રીતે? At the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Every hour, દરેક hour માં 5 degrees Celsius થી આપણે એને reduce કરી દેવાનું છે કે જેમ જેમ hour change થાય તેમ તેમ મારું ટેમ્પરેચર શું થઈ જવું જોઈએ? reduce થઈ જવું જોઈએ. આઈડિયા આવે છે? right? શું કહેવા માંગે છે તે સેન્ટેન્સ? Right? So, a freezing substance process required to change the room temperature be lower. Lower means એને ઓછું કરી દેવાનું છે. કાંથી? From 40 degree Celsius. કેવી રીતે? કે every hour કેટલું reduce થવું જોઈએ? 5 degree centigrade reduce થવું જોઈએ. Then what will be the room temperature? 10 hours after the process beginning, right? આપણે જે પ્રોસેસ સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું પછી 10 hours પછી એનું ટેમ્પરેચર કેટલું એ આપણે શોધવાનું છે, right? So here you can see that the initial temperature or we can say initial room temperature. room લખવાનું રહી ગયું. Initial room temperature is equal to 40 degrees Celsius, right? આ પોઝિટિવ જ આવશે. કેમ પોઝિટિવ આવશે? because it is an initial, right? આપણે ત્યાંથી reduce કરવાનું છે, બરાબર? તો ચાલો સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ. change in temperature. Change in temperature every hour is equal to -5 degrees Celsius. કે change in temperature every hour, દરેક hour માં આપણે કેટલું ચેન્જ કરવાનું છે? -5 degrees Celsius. કેમ -5 degrees Celsius? તો અહીંયા વર્ડ આપી દીધો છે આપણે lowered કરવાનું છે, reduce કરવાનું છે. That's why it is minus. જો increase કરવાનું હોતે તો અહીંયા શું આવી જતે? plus, right? So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process beginning, right? So change in temperature after 10 hours will be 10 multiplied by -5 degrees Celsius. 1 hour માં 5 degree હશે તો 10 hours માં 10 multiplied by whatever, so that is equal to -50 degrees Celsius, right? hours will be initial temperature minus change in temperature, right? So that is equal to, what is the initial temperature? Sorry, plus also. What is the initial temperature? 40 degrees Celsius plus, what is change in temperature? Minus 50 degrees Celsius. That is 40 degrees Celsius plus minus 50 degrees Celsius. So 40 minus 50, so minus 10 degrees Celsius. So we can say that the temperature after 10 hours will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Got it? Right? Next one. જોઈ ગયા છે એકદમ easy છે. Right? In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. 5 marks for correct answer and minus 2 marks for incorrect answer. Right? So let's begin with the answer. So total question. How many total questions are there? 10. Right? Marks for each correct answer. Marks for each correct answer. That is 5 marks. Right? Each means 1. Similarly, marks of each incorrect answer. Marks of each incorrect answer will be minus 2 marks. Right? And 0 for question. Right? No question attempt will be 0 marks. Right? જો તમે કોઈ બી ક્વેશ્ચન અટેન્ડ નહીં કરશો તો એનો કેટલા માર્ક્સ મળશે? 0 માર્ક્સ મળશે. રાઈટ? ચલો ફર્સ્ટ વન. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? So Mohan's score. चलो तो पहला આપણે marks for correct answer. Marks for correct answer. Now how many correct answer did he attempt? He attempted 4 correct answer. So 4 multiplied by 5. So 5 4s are 20 marks. Right? So correct answer માટે કેટલા માર્ક્સ મળે છે? 20 marks મળે છે. Similarly, marks for incorrect answer. Marks for incorrect answer. Marks for incorrect answer. So that is 6 multiplied by. How many marks for incorrect answer? Minus 2 marks. So that is equal to 6 to the 12 plus minus minus. So minus 12 marks for incorrect answer. What is his score? Therefore, Mohan score is equal to marks for correct answer plus marks for incorrect answer. So that is equal to, what is the marks for correct answer? 20 marks. Plus marks for incorrect answer minus 12 marks. So that is equal to 20 marks plus minus 12 marks. So that is equal to 8 marks. So Rohan na kitla marks, Mohan na kitla marks आएगा? 8 marks आएगा. चलो, getting second one. Resma get 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? चलो तो रेशमा ने सो दी है, right? चलो रेशमा. So marks for correct answer is equal to, what will be the marks of correct answer? How many correct answers is giving? 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 5 are 25 marks. Resma ने correct answer ને કેટલા marks મળે છે? 25 marks. Similarly, marks for incorrect answer will be, કેટલા incorrect આપે છે? 5. So 5 multiplied by, how many marks for incorrect? minus 2 marks. So that will be 2 5 are 10 plus minus 10 marks. બરાબર સમજ પડે છે? minus 10 marks for incorrect answer. Therefore, her score is equal to marks for correct plus marks for incorrect answer. So that is equal to, what is marks for correct answer? 25 plus marks of incorrect answer minus 10. So that is 25 plus minus 10. So that will be 15 marks. So એનું સ્કોર કેટલું થઈ જશે? 15 marks થઈ જશે. Next, third one કોણ છે? હિના. Hina gets 2 correct answer, 5 incorrect answer and 7 questions she does not attempt. Attempt નથી કર્યા એટલે attempt નું શું marks છે? 0, right? So let's write one by one. Marks for correct answer. Marks for correct answer is equal to, right? 2 question correct આપે છે એના marks છે 5. So 2 5 are 10 marks, right? Second, marks for incorrect answer is equal to, how many incorrect answer she is giving? 5. So 5 multiplied by minus 2. So that will be 10 minus 10 marks, right? Is equal to minus 10 marks, right? 7 question 7 question has not attend. Is not attend. Therefore, its marks will be 7 into 0, that is 0 marks, right? When 7 question attend નથી કર્યા એટલે એના માર્ક્સ કેટલા થઈ જવાના 0 થઈ જવાના, right? Therefore, her score is equal to correct answer plus incorrect answer plus question C does not attend. So that is equal to correct answer. How many marks? 10 marks. Plus incorrect answer. How many marks? Minus 10 marks. Plus question C does not attend. How many marks? 0 marks. So that is 10 plus minus. Minus 10 plus 0. 10 minus 10, 0 plus 0, that is 0. So how many marks did C score? C scored 0 marks. Very good. Are you getting all? બધાને સમજ પડે છે? Right?